Welcome back to Cars World, the ultimate pit stop for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the sleek and futuristic exterior of the 2025 Lexus ES-A. If you're into bold design, sculpted lines, and innovative styling, buckle up, because this sedan is setting a new benchmark. Lexus has always been a brand that fuses elegance with innovation, and the 2025 ES-A is no exception. Right from the first glance, it's clear this isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. The front fascia is where the magic starts. Lexus has completely reimagined the iconic spindle grille into what they now call the unified flow design. It's wider, more integrated into the body, and surrounded by a sharp, angular LED light signature that screams modern luxury. Speaking of lighting, the triple beam LED headlamps are slimmer and more aggressive than ever. They taper into the edges of the body, enhancing the car's low-slung, aerodynamic stance. These lights aren't just for show either. They adapt dynamically to road conditions and cornering, giving you both form and function. Move to the side profile and you'll notice a coupe-like silhouette that flows effortlessly from the hood to the rear deck. Lexus has shortened the overhangs and extended the wheelbase, giving the ES-A more planted and athletic posture. A character line runs smoothly along the beltline, connecting the front fenders to the rear quarter panels, creating a sense of motion even when the car is still. The 2025 ES arrives on newly designed 20-inch aero-tuned alloy wheels. They don't just look good. They improve airflow and reduce drag, all while giving the car a more commanding road presence. Chrome accents are used sparingly but strategically, outlining the window trim and lower sills, emphasizing the ES-A's upscale persona without being flashy. Around back, the redesign is equally bold. A full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the rear, with a floating Lexus badge in the center. It's sleek, futuristic, and blends seamlessly into the bodywork. The rear bumper features integrated air diffusers, improving both performance and style. And for the first time, the ES-A includes an active rear spoiler that automatically adjusts at higher speeds to boost aerodynamics. The paint options for the 2025 model have also been upgraded. Lexus is offering exclusive colors like infrared glaze and celestial blue metallic, which feature advanced self-healing clear coats. These not only look stunning but also protect the car from minor scratches and environmental wear. Now, let's not forget the design DNA. The S lineup has been around since 1989, and over the decades, it has matured from a conservative luxury sedan into a bold design icon. The 2025 ES-A stands as a tribute to that journey, marrying Lexus's heritage with the future of automotive design. In a market full of look-alikes, the ES-A dares to stand apart. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll take you inside to explore the luxury and tech that lies within. This is Cars World, and we bring the